Well, it has to catch me bloody breath. I tell you what, vaping ain't going to kill you. Never. It's that bloody good and healthy. It's made me healthy. When the first week I noticed with vaping, I could breathe again properly. The only thing that's going to kill Grandad here is this fucking thing. Look at it. Boom! 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 Yeah, it's like a fucking double-decker bus. Here's something for the crack, I'll show her. Yeah. Well, you've heard the saying. Bloody thing this is to push. You heard the saying, a fish out of water, ain't ya? Eh? Yeah, it's a fish out of water. G'day, mate. I'll show you something. I think this is a boat out of water. You know, casually goes along. People park their cars, yeah. Park the car, park the car, park the car. This is, nah, fuck it. I just parked my boat right there. Like, what? Only in this town, only in this town. But yeah, that's true. Vaping, in the first week, you'll notice you'll be able to actually breathe again when you start vaping. I did. When you had to walk the bloody toilet and I was out of bloody breath, and I'm not joking, I'm serious. So from the second you take up vaping, you'll notice the improvement, trust me. You really will. There's my old school that's been converted. This used to be the playing field. And there's the skull over there. Yeah. Cool, something else now, weird or what? I used to run around them trees over there, pretend sticks as you do, play machine guns, and you go, good old times. Granite rock used to be over there next to the wall. Sticking sticks in it, used to pull them down, pretend they were levers. Yeah, that was our spaceship, that was. Simple things, old school, yeah. What we got today? Game Boys, Xboxes, PS4s, what the fuck? Kids today don't know they're born. I never thought I'd actually say that. True.